Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. NeNe Leakes is excited to spend some quality time with her three grandchildren. The Real Housewives of Atlanta alum 55 shared sweet photos on Instagram Tuesday, celebrating the kickoff to spring break with three of her grandkids. In the set of shots, the actress poses with granddaughter Bri'asia 10 with the tween wearing an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt and shorts while Leakes opts for an all-black look. The duo is joined by Bri'asia's brothers Benny 8 and Brayden 9 who gather around for the group shot. It's officially spring break for my little glammies, and guess who they're spending it with? Me. She captioned the shots calling herself the original Glamour and Glam Mama in the accompanying hashtags. The reality star then added, "You, chill, they always wanna have it their way." Bri'asia, Benny and Brayden are children of Leakes' son Brazen. 33 Leakes is also mom to 24-year-old son Brent, who has been recovering after he suffered congestive heart failure and a stroke in late September. Leakes shared a photo of Brent in January, updating fans on his progress since the alarming health episode. Sharing a series of photos on Instagram showing off his new look after losing 100 pounds, she encouraged her younger son to focus on himself. "Focus on you until the focus is you." Brent captioned the post, which also featured a before and after snap of his weight loss. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.